Hello racers, my name is JC from SOKU Racing, and today we will be doing an installation of the Recaro SR3 bucket seats, the semi-bucket ones. Cutting Evo on this Evo Wira. Evo okay, Evo. Wiravo, yes, okay. Today we'll be doing an installation of the SR3 semi-bucket seats on my buddy's Wiravo. Okay, he currently has the worn out, not the best looking SOKU seats, and also it's mounted on stock Proton Wira brackets. So today we will be changing this out. Hey, we will be changing these worn out seats out and into the fabulous Recaro SR3. Take a look at that. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead. So first things first, let's move the car into our shop before we disassemble the stock SOKU seats. These are the seats we're going to be installing today. Recaro SR3 replicas. Okay, cutting Evo with aftermarket seat brackets made for Proton Wira. Okay, so there's only 4 bolts holding the seats in. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is over there. Okay, so the passenger seat is out, and now we are going to transfer the seatbelt buckle from the old seat to the new seat. Okay, next up, we will test fit the brackets before we bolt everything on. Terbalik. Terbalik. Halo. Terbalik. Ayuh. Wrong side, bro. Of course, we want to make sure that everything fits nicely and snugly before we bolt the seats to the bracket. Ayo, ini bodoh ah. Ayo, anekon na. Sial gina. Okay, so now for the fitment test, we want to make sure that all 4 bolts fits just right. 1, 2, these 2 are nuts, and number 3. Okay, this one looks okay, and most importantly, number 4. Bracket test fit for the passenger side. Okay, try to bolt in. Okay, as you can see here, the bolt is not really in the center of the hole. It isn't really gonna fit in. As you can see from here, the bracket is already covering the bolt hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a Dremel, remove some material over here so that we can fit the bolt in snugly. Okay, this is why it is always very important for you to test fit the brackets first before installing the bracket to the seat. Okay, so what we're doing next is we are estimating the best position for the seatbelt buckle. This bracket over here, it doesn't come with the bracket for you to bolt in the seatbelt bracket. So what we're doing now is we are trying to figure out the best position for us to weld the bracket for the seatbelt buckle. Okay, everything feels comfortable, and so this should be the spot we weld our seatbelt buckle. bracket is soldered on, screw can lepas with no problem. So now we will install the bracket to the seat before installing the seat to the car. Okay, now that everything is fitted, it's time to install the seats into the car. Looking good. Everything is fitted very nicely. Okay, installation done. Finally look like an Evo with the Evo cutting Recaro SR3s. Okay, so this is how you install aftermarket semi-bucket seat buckets in your Evo 3. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video.